Hi dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. How are you dear students? Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter. Okay, the chapter name is Subtraction. How to pronounce? How to pronunciation? Subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Okay dear student, the lesson is subtraction. Shall we start now? Okay, before going to subtraction explanation, we very important concept in your subtraction lesson, math vocab. Okay, shall we understanding this concept? Okay dear student, all of you open the page number 132. Okay dear student, shall we start now? Okay dear student, MSD. M means minus and S means subtract. The next D means difference. The next another one concept is minus. Okay, shall we study in these concepts? One is minus and. What is mean of minus and? A quantity or number from which another is to be subtracted. What is the minus and? A quantity or number from which another is to be subtracted. That is minus and. Commonly we know minus and means is the bigger number. Is the bigger number. Okay. The next subtrahend. Subtrahend means a quantity or number to be subtracted from another number. A quantity or number to be subtracted from another number, that is called subtrahend. It is commonly we identify the smaller number. Smaller number. Okay, keep in your mind, minus and means bigger number, even subtrahend means smaller number. Is the given numbers. Here one example is there. One example is 800, another one is 721. This is which is bigger? Compare these two given numbers. 800 is the bigger number. So 800 we commonly call minus and. Okay dear student, in the 721 compare these two values. 720 means smaller. Okay, that is a subtrahend. It means smaller number. Keep in your mind. Okay dear student, what is difference? The answer obtained on subtraction of the smaller number to the greater number. The answer obtained on subtraction of smaller number to the greater number. That is difference. It means a result of these two values. That is the difference. It means difference means is the answer. Answer is difference. Dear student, minus and means this is the greater number, that is we identify minus and. The next subtrahend means smaller number, that is subtrahend. We get answer, that is difference. Okay dear student, this concept very important in the subtraction lesson. Okay dear student, minus and means a quantity or number from which another is to be subtracted. Okay, the next subtrahend, a quantity or number to be subtracted from another number. What is the difference? Difference means that is result. That's answer is the difference. Okay dear student. Yes dear student, the next minus. Minus also means to be subtract. Minus also means to be subtract. It is denoted as a sign, you know, minus sign. Okay dear student, minus sign. You know, before the lesson is addition. Addition sign is, you know, add. It means plus sign. This is minus sign. Minus sign indicated the subtraction. It means subtract. Okay dear student, these four concepts keep in your mind. Okay dear student, yes, shall we start the subtraction lesson? Okay, let's recall. Okay dear student, this is belongs to in textbook. You do in your textbooks also. Okay, yeah, which one? Let's recall. Okay dear student, another one important concept, you understanding the before going to a subtraction lesson, which one I am given examples in the textbook, you write in your textbooks. Okay, some of examples I am given homework, do in your homework. Some of example I am given, do in your homework. That examples, even those examples you write in your notebook also. Okay, I am some of photocopies I am given. Okay, that photocopies you write in your notebook also, and the given homework examples are also you write in your notebook. Okay, are you clear now, dear student? Okay, shall we start the lesson? Okay, dear student, let's recall. This is also textbook, belonging in textbook. Okay, dear student, first one, A main, subtract the following. I am taken third question, rest of the question your homework. So that homework questions you do in your notebook also. Okay, dear student, shall we start? Okay. In the, when we subtract the values, in the place values is very important. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, dear student, here given values 800 subtract 721. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, 0 minus 1. This is possible. This is not possible. Yes, dear student, you take borrow from the tens place. When in the ones place is 0. So another downwards is 1 is there. So compare these two, 1 is bigger. Compare the 0. So you take borrow in the 100 place, tens place also 0. So you come back to 100 place. You take one borrow here. That means even that value is 1. We conduct them. That's commonly we call 10. Okay. The next here 8 becomes 7. Okay. The next, dear student, even 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Okay, dear student. Here 0 becomes 9. Here 0 belongs to 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. The next 8 belongs is already, because we given borrow, 8 belongs to 9. Sorry, 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. What will we get? 79 is the answer. Okay, dear student, here bigger number is minus and smaller number is subtract. The next the get answer is, that is difference. Okay, dear student, shall we start? Go to the B main. What is the question? Subtract horizontally. Okay, you know already how to subtract in the horizontal method and column method. Okay, dear student, subtract horizontally. First question is 175 subtract 24. It means minus 24. Okay, 175 we subtract the 24. What is the answer? Okay, you know place values, ones, tens. Here also ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, dear student. The next 5 minus 4. What is the value? 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, you know already. The 7 minus 2. Keep in your mind 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The next minus 2. Minus 2 means even 1, 2. Minus 2. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the value? Is 5. Okay. The next 1. Here no 100 place. So 1 as it is 1. 151 is the answer. Okay, dear student. The next go to the third one. Rest of the question your homework. Okay, dear student. Which is the third one question? 627 minus 47. Okay, right here that question 627 minus 47. Okay, 7 minus 7 is 0. As 2 minus 4. This is possible. Dear student, this is not possible. You take borrow. Okay. The next here 6 belongs to 5. The next here 10 plus here 2 is there, equals to what? 12. Okay. 12 minus 4 equals to what? You write here 12 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, like even subtract 4 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest of the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the value? 8. Okay, dear student. The next here 5 minus no values 580. What is the value? 580. Yes, dear student, I am right. That's like you subtract the values. Okay, rest of the question your homework. Okay, dear student, go to the next concept. Subtraction using an abacus. Subtraction using an abacus. You know already how to addition in abacus. You already learned in the addition lesson. In this lesson, subtraction using an abacus. Okay, dear student, observe carefully. Here abacus method is there. Okay, I am given the picture. Okay, in the values is 37,968 minus 12,845. Okay, subtract now, dear student, these values. You put the place values 10,000 place, the next 1,000, hundreds, ones. It means ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, in the bigger number is 37,968 subtract 12,845. Yes, dear student, subtract the values. 8 minus 5 is, yes, you know already, dear student, 3. Okay, the next 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Yes, 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. The next 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. What is the value? 25,123. Okay. The next you add values in the abacus method. Okay. In the what will we get? Answer is 25,123. Okay. You add now. In the 10,000 places 2 beats, 1, 2. The next in the 1,000 places 5 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 100 places 1 beat. The next in tens places 2 beats, 1 and 2. Okay, in the ones places 3 beats, 1, 2, 3. This is your answer. 25,123 we represented the abacus. This is subtraction using an abacus method. Understood, dear student? Okay, go to the next concept, subtraction without borrowing. Here we taken borrows. Okay. The next concept is subtraction without borrowing. Okay. In the exercise 4.1. This exercise also, in this A main, the next A main and B main is your fill in your textbook. Okay, dear student, in the A main, subtract the following. I am taking question second one. Rest of the question your homework. Those questions also you do in your notebook. Okay, dear students, are you clear? Okay, shall we start now? In the second question, what is the value? 63,418. Then subtract 52,407. Okay, this value given, we find out the value without borrowing question. Okay, then 8 minus 7 is 1. That is easily. Okay, keep in your mind 8. In your finger method, and keep in your mind 8. Also you use the finger method 8. Okay, then 8 minus 7 subtract. You close the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest of the one given rest is 1 finger. Okay, that is the answer is 1. Okay, the next 1 minus 0. Yes, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, dear student. The next 4 minus 4. This is 4. Minus 4, you close the 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? 0. Okay. The next 3 minus 2. Okay, in finger method here 3s. Okay, minus 2, even close 2s. 1 and 2. Rest is Rest of the value is 1. Yes, dear student, I am right. The next 6 minus 5. Okay, in finger method this is 6 minus 5. Okay, you close the 5 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest another even we get 1. Okay, the answer is totally answer is 11,011. Okay, 11,011. Okay, dear student, understood this concept? Okay, dear student, shall we start the B main? I am written here in the B main and C main. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, dear student, go to the B main, subtract horizontally. Okay, and then given one instruction is do these sums mentally. Do these sums in mentally. You don't use in your finger method or lines method. You just think about in your mind what is the answer we get in these questions. Okay, you just use in your mind. Okay, dear students, shall we start now? Don't use your finger method, also lines method. Okay, dear student. Yes, what is the I am taken second and fourth question. Rest of the question your homework. Okay, dear student, shall we start? Okay, in the second question, 28,093. Okay, this is the 5-digit value. Here also 5-digit values. Okay, dear student, 28,093 subtract 17,043. Okay, don't use any finger or line method. Okay, dear student, you know place values, that is very important. You put the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, the next 10,000. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, the next 10,000. Okay, first you subtract ones and ones place, the next 10 and 10 place, the next 100 and 100 place, the next 1000 and 1000 place, the next 10,000 and 10,000 place. Okay, dear student, 3 minus, it means subtract 3 minus 3. What is the answer? Yes, your answer is right. 3 minus 3 is 0. Yes, dear student. Okay, the next go to the tens place. 9 minus 4. Here 10th place is 4. 9 minus 4. What is the answer? Don't use your fingers. 9 minus 4 is, yes, your answer is right. 9 and minus 4 is 5. Yes, dear student. Okay. The next 100 place here 0. Here also 0. 0 minus 0. What is the answer? Yes, 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, dear student. The next come to 1000 place. 8 minus 7. Here 1000 place is 7. 8 minus 7 is, yes, easily you telling the answer. The 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, dear student. The next 2 minus 1 in the 10,000 place. Here 2, here 1. 2 minus 1 is also 1. What is the answer? 11,050. Okay. All of you don't use the finger method or lines method. You just use in your mind. Okay, dear student. You go to the fourth one. I think all of you use in your using in your minds. Okay, dear student. Yes. Okay. Then next go to the fourth one. 62,154 subtract or minus 61,023. Okay, you know place values, you put the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, the next 10,000. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, the next 10,000. Shall we start now? Okay, in the ones place 4 here, here 3. 4 minus 3 is, yes, 1. Okay, the next 5 minus 2 in the tens place. 5 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, 5 minus 2 is 3. You use only your mind. Okay, you are all are brilliant. Okay. The next in the 100 place 1. Here 100 place 0. What is the value? 1 minus 0 is, yes, 1. Okay, dear student. The next in the 1000 place. Here 2. Here 1. 2 minus 1. Yes, 1. Don't use your fingers method. Okay. The next in the 10,000 place, even 6 minus 6. What is the answer? Yes, 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. What is the answer? We get 1,131. Yes, dear student, are you clear? Yes, dear student, rest of the question, your homework, those questions also you use only mentally. Don't use your finger method or lines method. Okay, dear student. Go to the C main. What is the C main? Arrange the numbers in column and subtract. Then write the answer in words. Okay. Here horizontal method is there. You arrange the numbers in column method. Okay. Shall we start now? I am taken first and third question. Rest of the question your homework. Okay, dear student. Shall we start? Okay. You first write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, the next thousands, the next 10,000s. Okay, dear student. Then put the values here. Which is greater? Yes, 83,972 is greater. You write first value, that one, 83,972. Subtract. This sign is very important. Subtract 41,561. What is the answer? As they are 2 minus 1. Yes, 1. 7 minus 6. Now also use in your mind. Okay. 7 minus 6 also 1. The next 9 minus 5. Yes, 4. Here 9 minus 4 we get 5. Here 9 minus 5 we get 4. Okay, dear student. Here 3 minus 1 is 2. The next 8 minus 4 is 4. What is the value? 42,411. Write in words also. Okay. 42,000. 42,000. 42,400. 411. Yes, I am right, dear student. Yes, go to the third question. You write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, the next 10,000s. Okay. Did you understood? Okay. The next you write the first one is which is bigger. It means minus and. This is subtrahend. Okay, dear student. Write the minus and. 95,432. The next subtrahend 84,321. Okay. Subtract. Sign is very important. Subtract these two values. Okay. 2 minus 1. Yes, 1. Your answer is right. 3 minus 2. Yes, also 1. 4 minus 3. Also 1. 5 minus 4. Also 1. 9 minus 8. Also 1. Yes, dear student. What is the value? 11,111. Yes, I am right. 11,111. All we get the value is 1111. Okay, dear student. Write in words this value. 11,111. Yes, dear student, I am right. I think understood this concept also. Okay, dear student. In the subtraction first part, we learned exercise 1.4 and let's recall. Okay, dear student, study in this concept in your home. Okay, dear student, we meet next class in the second video, even second part. In the next way, concept is subtraction with borrowing. Okay, dear student. Okay, thank you.